watching this report now. Here's the engine and there's all the vehicles. Sweat driving, here he goes. And it says we got another train coming in 3 minutes to Rockport. Mom, can we cross and then just wait for the one to Rockport? We're not getting on it, of course, given the fact that we've already done it. Mom. Oh yeah, good point. So, train 1:15 to Rockport. Uh-oh, something happened to the train. Let's go.
No, they're stopping to let the gates go down.
Yeah, good point.
Remember that's what happened last time.
Yeah. Alright, good. So, well, let's go.
Okay.
So there's the signaling.
What?
I see the lights to the other one. Let's go.
Oh, me too. How cool is that?
See the lights to the other one. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Where do you want to stand?
Let's go back to where we were at originally.
Okay.
So,
This is pretty cool. Hands over your mouth, please.
crossing gates. So the lights reflecting on the bridge. There's another thing. Skiing down the boat.
Yeah, I mean, it's for you're right.
I'm not flagging this. I'm filming it.
Is it the flag stop? I don't think it is.
No. All right, here we go. 1:15 to Rockport. Approaching. It's approaching. For once, the signs actually got it right. Come on, come here. I want to get near the shelter. Come on.
Okay.
Get in the shelter. Or is it saying in the nowadays, get in your car? No, just stay in the shelter. You'll be fine.
Got it.
Here we go. Train 115 to Rockport approaching. Oh, it's on this track. I gotta step back.
Yeah. Here it comes.
This should be an F40. The last one was not an F40 that we took up to Rockport. Yep, this is an F40. It could be an HSB40, but right now I think it's an F40. Wait, no, it's an HSB40. It should be an HSB40. Nope, it's an F40. It's an F40. I know it's an F40. It's just the lights that tend to make it hard, but anyways, here you go. Okay! There it is, that's the OT that you see. So those cars that you just saw, they'll use those cars on that cars I was saying over it. They use those cars on the Cape Flyer, and here we go.
That was loud.
Here we are. Rockport. Here we are. Train 115 to Rockport approaching. I don't know why it says approaching. It's now boarding. It's not departing. Let me get a better view. Come here. No, I'm Railfanning. I have a YouTube channel. That's what. I usually never do this, but I'm only doing it for the, the YouTube and the stuff. Oh, I don't know what they're doing here. Just because I know there's not a train's going to smash me. Just that's why. Something's going on. Don't know what. But they... There's no crossing up ahead there. No, there isn't. And let me zoom in. Sorry with the bumpy camera. There we go. That's train 115 to Rockport right after we got off the other one. So I caught 2 trains. Catch 2 trains. Just another Railfanning came back there, whatever. And that's kind of it. Anyways, there's my mom and be out.